G'day champions, I've seen a lot of you struggling with the Torx screws in my Xbox repair videos. Now a lot of them have the security bit, as you can see on the screen here, and it's just a little like pokey pole type thing, usually made of metal, sometimes plastic, and it's just there to annoy the buggery out of us really. You can't use normal Torx screwdrivers, you have to use security Torx screwdrivers, or here's a little method on how to get it fixed instead. Alright champions, start by grabbing yourself a small flat blade or flathead screwdriver and wedge it down in between the pole and the side of the screw. Now be prepared for this to damage your screwdriver too. Broke mine doing this. But as you can see, we're just trying to snap that little middle pole off. And once it's broken off, you can just use a normal Torx screwdriver to get that undone. Or you can even use a flat blade or flathead screwdriver. They seem to work too.